For decades, one name has dominated the battlefield skies: Boeing AH-64 Apache. From Iraq to Afghanistan to conflicts across the globe, the Apache became the gold standard of attack helicopters. But today, that dominance is being challenged. From Russia, two machines are emerging as serious contenders: Kamov Ka-52, Ka-52E export variant, Me-28, Me-28 NME upgrade. The question is, are these just cheaper alternatives, or are they a real threat to Apache's supremacy? Why Apache dominated? To understand the challenge, we need to understand the king. The Apache proved itself during the Gulf War, delivering something revolutionary at the time: precision strikes, night combat superiority, devastating anti-tank capability, with systems like longbow radar, Hellfire missiles, advanced targeting sensors. The Apache became the benchmark of modern aerial warfare, and for years, no real competitor came close. The battlefield has changed, but warfare evolves, and today's battlefield looks very different. The biggest threats are no longer just tanks, but cheap swarm drones, portable air defenses, electronic warfare systems. This creates new challenges: high operating costs, complex maintenance, vulnerability to drone saturation. The Apache is still powerful. It was designed for a different era, and that's where Russia steps in. Ka-52E, the smart predator. Enter the Kamov Ka-52, a helicopter that breaks the rules. First thing you notice: coaxial rotor design, no tail rotor, which means extreme maneuverability, greater stability, better survivability in tight environments. It can spin rapidly, evade incoming threats, operate effectively in complex terrain. But the real advantage: its sensor and targeting systems. The Ka-52E can track multiple targets, engage both air and ground threats, counter drones effectively. In modern warfare, that's not optional, that's essential. Me-28 NME, the flying tank. Now let's talk about something far more brutal: the Me-28 in its latest form. Me-28 NME, nicknamed Night Hunter. This helicopter is built for one thing: destruction. Its strengths include heavy armor, designed to survive intense battlefield damage. Mast-mounted radar allows it to scan targets while staying hidden. Heavy weapons loadout, anti-tank missiles, rockets, 30mm cannon, and modern fire and forget systems, meaning shoot and move immediately. This isn't about finesse. This is about overwhelming force. 5. Head-to-head comparison. So how do they compare? Apache, highly refined, combat-proven, precision-focused. Ka-52E, more agile, better adapted for drone warfare. Multi-role flexibility. Me-28 NME, more durable, more aggressive, built to absorb damage. So who wins? It depends on the battlefield. Traditional warfare, Apache still dominates. Modern hybrid warfare, Russia is catching up fast. 6. Russia's strategy. Here's what makes this interesting. Russia isn't trying to copy the Apache. They're doing something different, splitting the role. Ka-52E equals hunter plus scout. Me-28 NME equals destroyer. While the Apache tries to be an all-in-one platform, Russia builds a team-based system. And in modern warfare, teams often outperform single platforms. So, is the era of Boeing AH-64 Apache over? Not yet, but for the first time in decades, there is real competition. The Ka-52 and Me-28 NME are not just alternatives. They represent a shift in how aerial warfare is fought. What do you think? Is Apache still the king? Or is Russia closing the gap? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share for more deep dives into the world's most powerful military technology.